Important information about unlimited membership at Photigy School of Photography. Let me tell you what is going on and what to expect. We are going to discontinue offering unlimited membership effective July 20th. Okay, it will be the last day when we'll be offering this membership. And unlimited membership, if you don't know, this is a special membership where you have access to all the courses, all individual courses, which is about, well, it's over $5,000 value if you buy them separately. So we have access to all these courses plus all the workshops and everything that we called Pro Club. It's all included into unlimited membership. What it means for our existing members. Guys, we're going to support your membership as long as you keep your subscription active. Basically, this is an annual subscription. Every year, if it's not cancelled, it's going to be auto-renewed. And you will have access to all existing plus all new courses that and workshops and everything, all the paid content, except a certification program, will be accessible for you as long as you keep your subscription active. What it means for non-members? Well, you have an opportunity to join unlimited membership, to become a member and basically keep access to everything for at least 1 year. So make a choice if you still want to be with Photigy and receive all our courses and workshops. Probably this is a really great opportunity for you because you're basically paying about 5% per year of the total cost of the goods that included into this membership. And like I said, we're not going to offer it after July 20th. I hope this will help you to make a right decision. See you on the courses. Goodbye.